Hello, today we will study about the compilation process. Compilation is a process of converting source code written in any programming language into machine code. As we know, machine only understands binary language, zeros and ones. There are four stages of compilation process and four highly specialized programs are involved in the compilation process. These are preprocessor, compiler, assembler and linker. Let's dive deeper to see what each one of these does. Preprocessor looks for hash directives and do file inclusion, macro substitution and conditional execution. Compiler, it checks for syntactical errors and converts the preprocessed source file into assembly language, basically instructions. Assembler converts these instructions into machine instructions, which is the binary format, and generates an object file, but it is not yet the complete program. And finally, linker links the object file, binary machine code with the libraries such as C++ standard libraries to produce the final executable. Now we will understand this compilation process with the help of one program that we have written. Preprocessor will look for hash directives. It will do the file inclusion for IO stream and it will do the macro substitution for pi. Pi will be replaced with 3.14 in the entire code. After this file will be taken as input by the compiler and compiler will convert this file into assembly language, which are basically instructions. Then assembler will take the file as an input and convert it into an object file, which is not the final executable file yet. The linker will link these object files with the libraries, for example the standard C++ library. It will also resolve the references for the functions and variables. Let's try to run this code in Visual Studio Code. In the previous video, I have already told you how to configure your Visual Studio Code with WinGW. We will go to the specified folder and we will use G++ tool to compile our file. We will use the command G++, then our file name, then -o to customize the name of our object file. We will give the name as main.exe and we will hit enter. Now we will run this executable main.exe and see the output. We are getting the desired output. In this, we have triggered the compilation process, and at the low level, all those steps are going on, which we have discussed earlier in this video. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.